Hello guys, I am Meghna Priya and you are watching Gossipfunda. In this video, we are going to discuss how to change any video format to mp4. So without delaying much, let's start the video. First of all, we need to download VLC Media Player. Go to Google and type download VLC Media Player and choose the website Firehorse. I'll provide the link for this website in the description box as well. Now scroll down and click on the blue link saying download VLC Media Player 64-bit latest version. Click on it and wait for it to upload. Now click on start download, and once the downloading is complete, we need to install the application. Once the download is complete, double click on the application in the download section and choose the language. I'm going to choose English. Then click on next. Read the terms and conditions carefully and then click on next. You do not have to change anything, so click on next and now install it. Once the installation is finished, click on finish button and open the VLC Media Player. Now click on media, go to convert and save. Add the video of whose you want to change the format. So I'm going to choose this video, but first let us check out what is the format of this video. So the video is having an MKV format. So I'm going to open it and change it to mp4. Now click on convert and save. Here you can change the profile of the video, but as we're going to change it to mp4, I'm not going to change it. Now make sure that you check out these two boxes of keeping original audio and video track. Now click on save. Now you have to choose the destination file where you want to save your file. So I'm going to choose the same location. Type the new name and do not forget to add .mp4 at the end of the name. Now click on save and click on start. This is it. The change of format is done. Now let us check it out. So this is the earlier MKV file format, as you can see, and the next one, this one is the new file, and this one is in mp4 format. I hope you found this video helpful and you were able to change the video format. If you have any query, please feel free to mention it down in the comment box. To know more about technology and stuffs, do visit our Gossipfunda blog and start reading. You will get to know stuffs about coding, more stuffs about coding, website hosting, technology, Android, and many other things. If you like the video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon in order to get future notifications. Also, share this video to your friends. See you guys in the next video. Till then, bye-bye.